thing, that is mg. So mg and f sin theta acting in the same direction, and r sin theta and f cos theta are acting in the same direction. This is toward the center of the circular path, right? That means the forces acting toward the center of the circular path is r sin theta and f cos theta. This will provide for the centripetal force. Am I correct? R cos theta and f sin theta plus mg sin theta is balanced by r cos theta. So these are the two things we can see from the figure. This diagram is very, very important. So from the diagram we can write the centripetal force is provided by r sin theta plus f cos theta. Therefore we can write m v square divided by r is equal to r sin theta plus f cos theta. R sin theta plus f cos theta. So I will be writing these steps very, very slowly. You will understand it. And this is equation number 1, right? So I already said that the centripetal force is cannot fall down from the space, but centripetal force is actually provided by the existing forces. Which are the existing forces? R sin theta and F cos theta are existing forces. This will turned into centripetal force, what is called mv square by r. So mv square by r is equal to r sin theta plus F cos theta. Equation number 1, right? Next is mg plus f sin theta is equal to r cos theta, right? Therefore we can write mg is equal to r cos theta minus r cos theta minus f sin theta. We can write f sin theta because f sin theta plus mg is equal to r cos theta. Therefore, mg is equal to r cos theta minus f sin theta. Also, this is equation number 2. We can. Because this is also a very simple expression, right? So these two equations we have got from this diagram. Diagram you have to make very clearly. What I made is very beautifully made up, but thing is that this line and this inclined line must be parallel, right? Okay. Because my free hand is flowing very irregularly. That's why that happens, right? This is equation number 2. So dividing equation 2 by 1, sorry, dividing equation 1 by 2, right? Equation 1 by 2 we will get mv square by r. I am writing it mv square divided by r the whole divided by mg is equal to first r sin theta plus f cos theta the whole divided by r cos theta minus f sin theta. Like this we are getting. So in this case, what is m and m cancelled, right? Therefore, what we get v square divided by r, and this is g rg. V square by rg is equal to r sin theta plus f cos theta whole divided by r cos theta minus f sin theta. Like this you are getting. Very simple. R sin theta plus f cos theta divided by r cos theta minus f sin theta. Now what I do is that dividing every term, numerator and denominator of every term of this divided by r cos theta. Every term means numerator and denominator commonly divided by r cos theta. Then what you will get, this is equal to r sin theta divided by r cos theta plus f cos theta divided by r cos theta divided the whole divided by r cos theta divided by r cos theta. Because every time I am dividing numerator and denominator divided by r cos theta. It means every time has to be divided. Minus f sin theta divided by r cos theta. Like this, right? This r and r cancel. Sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta. You can write tan theta. Cos theta and cos theta cancel. F by r is equal to mu. We can write. That means plus mu the whole divided by r cos theta by r cos theta is equal to 1 minus f by r is equal to mu tan theta. We can mu tan theta. So this is the relation finally we are getting. V square by rg is equal to tan theta plus mu. Tan theta plus mu divided by 1 minus mu tan theta. 1 minus mu tan theta. So this can be rewritten as So I am writing this one here. This is rewritten as, that is, I am writing here, that is V square divided by RG. R into G is equal to, first of all, I write mu plus tan theta divided by 1 minus mu tan theta. 1 minus mu tan theta, right? 1 minus mu tan theta. Sorry, here it is r cos theta, right? Okay. 1 minus mu tan theta. So this is the relation mu tan theta. Yeah. So this is the condition there that we are getting. V square is equal to, therefore V square is equal to V square is equal to RG into what? Mu plus tan theta, the whole divided by mu plus tan theta, the whole divided by 1 minus mu tan theta. 1 minus mu tan theta.